I'm getting too old for this nonsense.
Well, hello there everyone. It is Shadow Harvester here with Fall Guys. Got a gooey grin going on with our sapling green pale complexion. And I think it's high time that I, Shadow Harvester, get to playing some Fall Guys. That's what we're doing. So yes, squad, show it away. Oh, look at that smile. All goopy and goo. Okay, Webbed Heights. I also think there's a lightning storm outside because I see some flashing lights. You know? I mean, earlier it did rain. Luckily, I didn't get caught in it as bad as people think. So, Webbed Heights. Webbed Heights. Also, there might be a chance that the power might go out, which I hope I don't have anything going that will cause that. So, yeah. Thank goodness we're not doing like an hour-long video that I need to publish. So, yeah. Don't worry. If I ever get myself caught up, and actually record like maybe a day or two in advance. I mean, last time I did that, I may have over-exerted myself with the season. Okay, I'm just gonna go this way. Probably thought the goo would slime up to the middle, but you know me. Tricks at its finest. Both magically and cereal-y. The only difference is one's edible, the other one's for gullibility and possible witchcraft damage insurance and other stuff, depending on what focus you're focusing on. So, alright. Luckily you're on my team. Only 16 points. But, oh, thee well. Oh, thee well. So, yeah. Well, hopefully Fall Guys doesn't burn out with all this Halloween-esque stuff with Webbed Heights. Save it for Halloween, Fall Guys. 'Tis the season for the trickery. Okay. Yeah, you're better off using the circular platforms instead of the weird thin piped line of the webbing that is not sticky at all. Well, either is our goo. So that's a good thing. Of course, I could have probably slingshotted all the way to the finish line if the goo was like that. Very retractable and slingshotty. Kind of like, obviously, Spider-Man. And not that crappy live-action crap that everybody thinks is amazing, which it's not. So yeah. Who doesn't love a good, clean, going into the next round of qualificationing with Virtual Vista? Yeah. And to all who are still using Windows Vista computer stuff. I don't know how many people actually are doing that, because I can see, I could probably see like Windows 7, Windows 8, probably. But hey, It's not a problem at all. Honestly, it's probably better to use a low quality phone or a computer, because honestly, you don't have to download all this risky mumbo jumbo that just makes your brain rot. That's probably why I enjoyed my other phone before it tragically bit the dust. Couldn't play Pokemon Go, and that's pretty much the only reason I would have actually got the phone in the first place. Okay. Okay. Alright. At least this doesn't knock us all the way off the trail. Okay. Alright, let's just stick together. And everything will be all fine and goopy. Just for a second. So, yeah. Okay. So, we got like 2 people left. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Oh boy. Well, that's a kick right to the keister, if we actually had one of those. And not all gooey. So, alright. That's the results for that. Winter Games begun! And you just gotta love when you look at the name. Of course, it has to be Pity Kicks. Someone loves to make games. I say I'm gonna do the same thing, but you know me, I never do it because I have no originality at all. Maybe if they take crazy pills, that will actually boost originality from the non-original type of person. I must have original up the butt, you know, because almost every time I eat a bag of chips, it's always the originals. Because I really can't taste or stand the taste, I should say, of the other stuff. And then there's just some bags of chips that take forever to eat. So, yeah. Like the new bow tie bagged Pringles. No, thank you. I want my Pringles to look like little duck lips, where I can go quack quack. Why I snack, my snack of choice. And if I can't pretend I'm Mega Man with the Pringle can, with the arm blaster, then well, my life has no meaning. The stairs. These are the most iconic stairs since the stairs of Super Mario 64. And possibly the final confrontation from Pokemon Legends Arceus. So, yeah. Okay. Yep. We just wait for our 2 fellow friends to be here to join us in victory. Yeah. That didn't work out. How utterly devastating. Indeed. I am sure we will try to figure this out soon. Full tilt. Well, we're gonna swing this full tilt into overdrive at maximum capacity and speed. Post haste. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that milk carton. Who happens to be part of my team. He's also in charge of snacks. And I'm hungry for the finish line. Because I'm a gooey, gluttonous blob that will eat finish line and anything potato related. Because I'm not gonna lie, right now I could go for some hash browns, maybe a baked potato, some croquettes, you know? Hash brown, yeah. There's at least 2 places, well 3 places that I know of that I've actually gone in that actually have exactly those, which are like Tim Hortons next door, obviously McDonald's, and then there's a old diner area that probably might have the better ones. I mean, McDonald's hash browns are definitely second. And then Tim Hortons can be hit or miss. I mean, the frozen ones that my mother has bought, maybe some tater tot stuff, but that's probably definitely fourth. Well, any of those old-fashioned diner places that sell like good breakfast. Yeah, nice hash browns. Nice indeed. Which we could have a tall glass of reassuring results and positive qualified feats. Yes, yes. Nautical Shamble. Let the shambles, well, defy us as a whatever we are. So, yeah. Let's just wipe away the goop and show that we mean a nice clean business. Okay, and we're off. We are off. And I like how the mat down below literally looks like water. Can't just put water down there, but I guess it's not a surprise because, well, we have to actually respawn back. Because if that was just actual water, well, we'd be dead. Sunk. Without a boat and a paddle. You know? Who has a boat and doesn't have a paddle or a net? Just in case the motor goes out. Unless you're just in a wooden boat. Which is fine too. It doesn't matter if you're the low tech or the high tech. You have a place in the Shadow Harvester channel of support. And I'm only saying that because if you lose a hat, you better have a net. And if you're wearing a hat, try not to lose your hat while trying to grab someone else's hat. True story. Sadly, the hat got sunk down into the water because I could not fully reach it without almost losing my hat and falling into the water. And I don't want to do that with my clothes on. Of course, I don't even want to go in that water with just a bathing suit. So, yeah. Meowfo Royale. Again, Royale, not Royal. But maybe some of these cats are royally royal. Okay. Whoa. I haven't bounced this high since I was in a bouncy house, you know? Man. Oh man, oh man. Yeah, I'm just gonna stand here, you know? Sounds like sounds like there's a mouse or something, but you just hear that sound. So let's just do some exercise. Oh yeah. Yes, yes. Haha. I see. You got that thing from that one time where we had to actually use those. I mean, we had some trouble with those, but eventually we outcame the problem. Remember that? When we had to use the weird blocks that can punch and cause a draft of wind. Whee! Spreading all my goop everywhere. And I'm smiling just doing it, because victory. The sweet smell of it, yes. Not smelling like cat litter, no siree. You know, for being in an area with kitty cats. Everywhere. Everywhere! Next up is ... Kind of raised my voice there for a minute. So, Jump Club. Okay. Alright, Jump Club. Also, I think that electrical thingamajig in the sky is probably gone, but who knows? Who really knows? I really need a curtain for my window, honestly. I mean, to be fair, it's basically like TV without the awful commercials that play. Okay, there for a minute. Because that thing is the same color as my skin, so... Yeah, alright. Run! It's going to kill us and devour our tasty insides. That's basically what that goop below does. Me? No. No, no, no. I'm basically like a place that gives you rejuvenation, massages, and stuff like that. And it's basically like a retirement home, except they don't do crazy things and give you pills to make you even crazier or less crazier, and eventually do horrible, horrible things, because they get paid whether the good or the bad happen. Which is a messed up thing in this world, but who doesn't benefit from the profit of others in this world? Yeah. Oh man, we survived with only 2 friends. And nope, there's the electrical light. It just delayed. Those clouds. You definitely can hear the thunder. Or see the thunder. And now hear it. Because again, thunder is in the sky, lightning hits the ground. And honestly, if that one fellow did the thing with the kite in the key and invented electricity was fine, we should be fine. And that was direct contact. We're in a house. So, lake in the mountains. I don't know. I don't know much about that kind of reality, but you know, lake in the mountains. I mean, to be fair, there's times where I've done that kind of stuff in that scenario with Minecraft. So, yeah, usually the houses I build are in the mountains. Sometimes in the wintry mountains, and sometimes there may or may not be water. And sometimes I might just use the caves to go exploring and reinventing my household necessities. And I am abandoned. I am alone forevermore. Okay. We gotta fight this feeling of abandonment. I'm not gonna. There's two. There's two over here, so I'm pretty much going against a team. If I can just, I might just do this. I might just do this, honestly. I might just draw at the time. There is no way I'm taking all these people out. So, yeah. Take this, you stainless steel. Victory is ours. Man, oh man. Yeah, there's only one me against four of them. You know? That's like doubly double. Well, no, it's technically double because yeah, I'm not gonna win this. I'm not gonna win this at all. Especially at the end. I should know how to do the lily leapers. We need lily leapers here. We got costumes in the shop that are lily leaper themed. And then we got these bouncy pads. So, well, here we go. Eye of the Tiger. Eye of the Tiger. Well, there's our chant. Nope. That fellow got our stuffs taken. So, yeah, of course. Okay. Whoa, jeez. Yep, I am stuck because, well, I'm pretty much. I don't even know why you're here. There's only one person left, and yet you're behind, trying to stop me. Literally, this is like the most one-sided endeavor. Yeah, I bet you're happy. You hurt an elderly slime. Well, I hope you're happy. You took pleasure in taking advantage of a one-sided battle and not fighting this duel head-on, 1 versus 1, while the other people just stop. But at least we got some reward out of it. And some glasses. Now that's a cock-a-doodle dandy right there, I'll tell you what. So, yeah. And we got chemistry lessons. Oh boy. Explosive gases and other stuff. Yay. The boils and fires and stuff like that. So yes. Well, I guess it's time to say goodbye here. I am Shadow Harvester. Thanks for watching me play Fall Guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.